Okay guys, so good evening once again. Welcome to Tech Hacks. Now today I'm going to be showing you an update whereby you can be making free $10 depending on the amount of time you can spend working, or at least minimum of 20 days. Now this site have been out for a very long time now, and a lot of people have been cashing out for it, and I personally have been on it for more than 5 months now, monitoring it before I decided to now finally make a review on this video. And this site is no other site than My Daily Cash App. Yes, you heard me right, My Daily Cash App. Most of you might know it already, so I'm just going to go into the details and show you how you're going to go about it and register. But anyway, before that, I want to shout out to you, all my subscribers, for supporting me, and especially up to this year. And for the new subscribers, I'm welcoming you all. We just hit 1K subscribers recently, which is like mind-blowing. It might sound little, but it's mind-blowing. At least it's a step forward to motivate us to continue more. Please always like our video, share and subscribe, especially if you are new to this channel. This is Tech Hacks, and we do drop updates on online earnings, MTN, Airtel, any mobile network. We drop cheats on them, data subscription cheats and a lot others like that. So it will do you good to subscribe and stay updated. And for those of you that are also new, also just to tip in, I'll leave my contact in the description box of this video, so you can get in touch with me one-on-one on WhatsApp in case you might have any issues online. And also I'll be making another video. I'm not sure what I'll be talking about in that video yet, but probably we'll be doing a giveaway in that video because of just to celebrate these subscribers things and the likes like that. So having said that, let's go to the topic of discussion, My Daily Cash App. I'm now going to show you details how you register and how you make free $10 depending on how long you can work, or at least a minimum of 20 days, and it is totally withdrawable. Now I'll keep this simple. My Daily Cash App is an app that pays you for multitasking, either by taking surveys, answering questions, downloading apps, playing games and lot others like that. But if you are in Nigeria like me here, you'll be limited a lot, because most at times you will not qualify for most of these offers. So the only way you can earn from it is by referral. Yeah, I know we don't promote referral stores like that and others, but yeah, this site here, even though you can make money from it by doing other tasks, but the main way is by referral. And formerly the referral bonus was not high like that, but I'm just making this video because they increased it recently to $1. That is this 100 credits here. So once you share your link to anyone and anyone joins with your link, the person gets $1, and the minimum withdrawal is $10. So the thing is, you fair 10 people, you get your free $10 that you can withdraw immediately. And aside the withdrawal, the other way you can earn is daily login bonus. You get a daily login bonus of $0.5, which if you calculate or divide it by the $10 that is minimum withdrawal, it should take you minimum of 20 days to hit your $10, which you can withdraw. And I'm sure all of you are good online. You should be able to at least refer 10 people even in a day also to get your $10. So that is just that about that. I don't want to go into other details because they will be totally useless to you guys, especially if you are in Nigeria. But if you are my friends out there and you are not in Nigeria, you're outside the country, it should also be easy for you because the task you have to do will be displayed here on my screen. So you can just pick any of it that is suitable for you and do. Simple. Now to withdraw, as you can see, here is the withdrawal I placed recently. Here they pay you to your PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, you can also contact me. I'm going to teach you how you're going to create a verified PayPal account that sends and receives money in Nigeria. And also, if you need a vendor, like maybe you don't want to create an account, maybe it's too long for you. If you need a vendor, I can also help you provide that, but minimum. It will not be for everyone. Now here is where you link your PayPal account. You click on these settings here, then click on this PayPal, and that is all. You input your PayPal email, input your PayPal email again, and update. Just all. So if you want to sign up, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and I'll also pin the link to the first of the comment section here below. So once you check the comment section or the link in the description box below, you should be able to get registration details, the code in which you are going to put to register. So that is that about that. Shout out to you guys also. This is Tech Hacks.